Toprak Razgatlıoğlu makes his move now on Jonathan Rea. Well, if you thought it was Jonathan Rea versus Scott Redding, think again. Razgatlıoğlu claims his first race victory of 2021 and narrows the championship deficit to Jonathan Rea to just 20 points. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu has made an absolute blinder. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu makes it 2 victories from the UK round, and you have a new championship leader. Oh, he's collected Toprak Razgatlıoğlu! And Toprak from way back comes sliding through down the inside, but he's gone way too deep. Into turn 20 comes Toprak Razgatlıoğlu. It's going to be Toprak Razgatlıoğlu. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu, who's on the march, and Jonathan Rea has got a different rival lead. He demolishes Jonathan Rea by 4.4 seconds. And it's going to be a challenge for the race lead. And we've got a last lap battle between the top 2 in the championship. Razgatlıoğlu now slings it down the inside of Rea. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu wins back-to-back victories, and it's on top once again for Toprak here in Manicure. Toprak with problems. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu, your race leader, drops out of the action with mechanical dramas. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu pulls something out of the bag, more than 0.2 of a second faster than Alex Lowe through the final sector to take pole. Like Toprak Razgatlıoğlu and Jonathan Rea going really hard. Oh, the two of them are going to clash. Again, he sends it in from way back. He stands Jonathan Rea up. Toprak Razgatlıoğlu wide, and Jonathan Rea sees that as an opportunity. Toprak will try to immediately respond. Razgatlıoğlu barges into the side of Jonathan Rea. Jonathan Rea is down for the race lead in Portimao in what could be a turning point for this 2021 World Championship. There goes Toprak Razgatlıoğlu from second position at the final turn of lap 10. We have a title race on our hands in World SBK. But Toprak is back on top, 5 seconds the winning margin over the reigning world champion to consolidate his championship lead. Wide, very wide for Toprak Razgatlıoğlu. He's off the circuit altogether into turn 15. This could be a title-winning overtake from Toprak Razgatlıoğlu. He's back into second place. Rea's reign has come to an end. A new era has begun in World SBK. The 2021 Motul FIM Superbike World Champion is Toprak Razgatlıoğlu.